This is a super cool installation today. We've got this green marble. We're gonna wrap it with our NG01. Very simple, it's a high energy surface. We're gonna put a bit of solvent primer on the sides, and we're gonna watch our pattern repetition down the middle. I think it's gonna come out really cool. And then we're gonna do those two little coffee tables over there as well. So let's see how we get on. How cool does that look? What a transition. NG01, pattern repetition, straight down the middle, wrap the two coffee tables. Just an hour and 10 minutes. There you have it. Wall wrap done, coffee tables done.